This is your new cleaning essential, the cordless vacuum cleaner that makes tidying up faster, easier, and smarter. With powerful suction, it picks up everything from fine dust to pet hair in one go. No mess left behind, just spotless floors every time. Designed for every surface and situation, whether it's under furniture, up the stairs, or even the curtains, it adapts without effort. Need a break? No problem. Thanks to the self-standing design, just pause and park it anywhere, anytime. It's lightweight and easy on your hands and back, cleaning ceilings, corners, and furniture without any strain. 3 tools, 1 vacuum. Switch attachment in seconds to clean every part of your home. Empty the dust bin without a single touch. No mess, no hassle, just quick and hygienic cleanup. From floors to ceiling, from pet hair to fine dust, this cordless vacuum delivers power, flexibility, and total convenience. Cleaning just got a whole lot easier.